This is a 2007 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon with the stock radio. And if you're interested in how to set the clock, very simple. Here's what you do. Go to setup, then rotate this guy down, set clock, push. Turn dial to set time, like there. Once you get it to where you want, hit it, then the minutes. Hit it. That's it. Check out my channel for all kind of stuff on setting clocks on cars and driving vehicles and issues with vehicles, cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, golf carts, scooters, Harleys, classic cars, all kind of stuff. Over 2,400 videos on my channel. Check it out. Y'all have a great day.